My relationship with my body, it's a good one.
My body is beautiful. Say what's up to my new go-to.
Meet the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream.
Delivers lightweight, plush hydration for all skin types.
A creamy whipped lotion that does more than just moisturize.
It's literally like a facial for your body.
It's refreshing.
Packed with
Deeply moisturizing watermelon seed butter.
Smoothing hibiscus, AHA.
multi-weight hydrating hyaluronic acid.
Soothing and hydrating watermelon extract.
Here's how I use the Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream.
So first things first, I want to make sure I get a hefty amount on my palm.
Massage cream into skin until it's fully absorbed.
I want to make sure I get all those dry areas, my elbows, my arms, my knees.
Repeat as needed as part of your self-care ritual. It sinks in so quickly.
My skin is literally glowing.
This is actually a pink dream for my skin. I don't think I can go back to any other lotion.